Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to add a co-host on your Zoom meeting, then this video is for you. So here they are instructed you that how you can enable the co-host. So if your co-host option is visible in the Zoom web portal, then you can do is simply sign into your account, sign into the Zoom web portal as an administrator with the privilege to edit account settings. Like here you can find my account. You have to just log into your account. After log into your account, you have to do is navigate to the menu and click account management and account settings, then click meeting tab. Then there you will find in meeting basics. Click on the co-host toggle to enable and disable it. If a verification dialog appears, click enable or disable to verify the changes. Now here is the optional process that to prevent all users in your account from changing these settings, click the lock icon and then click lock to confirm the settings. So if you want a group, then you can also find it like this. You can find your user management, then you can find groups, and you can follow the same process that I have told you right now. So but there is a note for you that you can assign a co-host ahead of time, and co-host can start meetings scheduled by the host. The host has to promote a participant to a co-host during the meeting. So when you are on meeting just like this, you have to simply click on participant and you have to choose the participant where you can find this three dot button here. If you hover over that host or a participant actually, then you can simply click on it, and from here you can find add as a co-host. Then you can simply click on that option and you can easily set that person as a co-host. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.